Hey you guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. My name is Janabel, or Janibel if you're Dominican, and today's video is going to be about my morning skincare routine. That's why I'm coming to you with a bare ass face, you know? So yeah, I totally decided to do this last minute, so I already have my skincare on. I'm a genius, I know. I totally need to do better. But I will be walking you guys through all of my steps, and yeah, if you want to know what I use on my skin every morning, then keep on watching. Alright, so for the purpose of this video, I threw all of my skincare right in here. Well, not all of it, but you know, the skincare that we're gonna be talking about today. So yeah, the first thing, let me get this bag open. Oh, by the way, I'm totally in my living room filming this. Yeah, I don't have a filming, area yet, just because, as you guys know by my last video from like 2 months ago, I just moved into a new apartment with my fiance, and yeah, the office isn't put together yet, so I'll probably be filming videos here if I stay consistent. But yeah, I usually start with Bioderma. If you don't know what Bioderma is, it's basically a micellar water, remember when that started being a thing in the US? Yeah, I just like using this in the morning because it's gentle, it can take off any residue of any makeup that I wore the last night that maybe I was too lazy to really get in there and remove. I also got the one for hydrating, sensitive, wait, what? I got the one for a dehydrated sensitive skin. I don't really consider myself to have sensitive skin, but my skin is dry. Wow, I should have probably given you a little background on my skin, but yeah, let's do that really quick. My skin is pretty dry all year round. I like to use a lot of oils, as you'll see in the rest of the routine. I do get occasional breakouts, like this one right here. That was like a cystic little devil that just did not want to go away, so I popped it and then it's just been healing. But yeah, I'm just left with a little hyperpigmentation. I usually break out like along my hairline, just because, as you guys noticed by my other videos, my hair was super short, and now that it was long, and then it was super short, and then now that it's growing back, my hair is hanging over my face a lot, and I do use quite a few products to get my hair just looking snatched. So yeah, sometimes the product buildup gets along my hairline, so that's where I tend to break out. I also break out on my chin here and there, and I rarely break out on my cheeks. That's why this little demon was such like a unexpected thing, But yeah, that's a little background on my skin, and I use the Bioderma with these cotton rounds from Dollar Tree. Yeah, they're $1. That's the only reason why I use these. But yeah, that's the first thing I do, and then I go in with a few oils. Let's see, I have these 3 oils right here. I usually like to start with the 4th Ray Glow Up Face Oil. I really like this one. It's compact. It's only 0.5 fluid ounces, so I can travel with this wherever I need to go. It's very hydrating, and I also like to use the Urban Skin RX oil. I should probably do a little close-up of these, but yeah, I like mixing the Hydranutrient, how do you say this? Urban Skin RX's Hydranutrient Radiance Restore Oil, because I told y'all my skin is dumb dry, and I like mixing it with tea tree oil. Honestly, I got this at Marshall's. As you can see, it was $8, and I like to mix this in with my oils just to keep breakouts at bay. Yeah, just to keep breakouts at bay, and to try and remove as much bacteria from my face to prevent breakouts and stuff. So that's usually a good combination for my skin, because I'm still like, tea tree oil can be very drying, So I usually like to just mix it in with an oil to prevent any dry patches, because those definitely happen to me more often than not. And yeah, if you don't know what the benefits of tea tree oil are, it's basically they help prevent breakouts. So if you break out here and there like me, I don't know if it'll be as effective for people that have like tons of cystic acne or that suffer from more frequent acne than I do, but it's been working for me so far, and I think this is my second bottle. As I mentioned, I do love to use a lot of oils, and depending on how my skin's feeling, sometimes that's enough hydration for me. Like I won't feel the need to use a moisturizer or something like that, because also it's summertime, so I'm a sweaty spaghetti. I don't need my face falling off, and plus if I'm gonna follow all of this up with a beat face. Like I don't need all of that just sitting on top of my skin. So I usually I won't say usually, but lately I've been skipping on the moisturizer in the morning and then just using a super thick hydrating one at night. So if you guys want a nighttime skincare routine, let me know. Honestly, it's a few changes here and there. I still use some of these brands or products, but yeah, let me know in the comments if you want to see what I use at night. Next, I use eye cream. If you aren't using am I making you feel singled out by pointing at you like this? But if you're not using an eye cream, like, it's 2019, y'all, get with the program. Anti-aging, like, your eye area is super important. Don't neglect it, especially if you have dry skin like your girl here. So yeah, eye cream is very important, you guys. And the two that I've been liking lately is the Fix Emergency Eye Mask. This is pretty much it. Can you see? Yeah, I really like this eye mask. I mean, it's supposed to be an eye mask. You're supposed to like wash off or remove the excess product, but I kind of just let it sink in because I'm a dry ass bitch, y'all. So I'll take all the hydration I can get. Yeah, you can use it as an eye mask. Like, apply like a thick layer under your eyes, especially when I'm traveling. Like that would be a good idea. But I definitely use this in my everyday routine. I like to just dab on a little with my ring finger, all gentle and such, and yeah, it prepares my under eye for concealer, and it makes my under eyes look awake and hydrated. And I think there's caffeine in this. Yeah, caffeine and cucumber juice. So I know I need caffeine to function, so maybe my eyes need it too. But the other one that I like also is the Neutrogena HydroBoost Gel Cream. This one's really nice because it's lightweight. I like using it on no makeup days just because like water-based products like with hyaluronic acid usually don't mix well with oils, so I don't want any like pilling or I don't want product to just build up and ball up on my face. So I like using this one, and it's hydrating, it does the job. It's definitely more so a daytime eye cream because, you know, it's lightweight, but it definitely keeps my under eyes hydrated. Now, these are the last products in my daytime skincare routine, and it's the most important. Can you guess what it is? Can you guess? Can you guess? All right, I'll stop being annoying. But sunscreen, okay? If you don't have sunscreen in your daytime routine, you're doing your skin a huge disservice, just because, like, especially if you suffer from hyperpigmentation. Like, I always get dark spots. All my acne always scars. Doesn't matter what I do. I could leave it alone, I could pop it, it's gonna scar no matter what. What really helps lighten up those scars as quick as possible is wearing daily SPF. I usually do 50. I don't know, do I need 50? Who knows? Better to be safe than sorry. 100 I think is a little gimmicky, but yeah, SPF 50 should be enough. I like using the Neutrogena HydroBoost sunscreen just when, again, on no makeup days, like fresh face days, in conjunction with the Neutrogena Eye Cream. It's like a good combo. They work well together. They don't pill. So usually I'll just, if I'm in a rush and I'm just gonna be, you know, fresh face, running errands and stuff, I'll just put these two on and I'll be on my way. And then when I'm doing my regular routine with the other oils and the tea tree and my other favorite eye cream, I like using the Walgreens Hydrating Broad Spectrum SPF. This one is cheap, it's store brand, and it is hydrating. This is probably another reason why I don't feel the need to, ooh, there's hair on my face. Why I don't feel the need to, wow, my hair, I'm sorry y'all, I'm getting distracted just because, like, I don't want my hair to be flat, but it's growing out and it's starting to part in the middle. Like it wants to fall. It wants to be like, hello, you know, parting like the Red Sea, but no, it's not part ready. Anyways, had a whole moment there, but this is probably the reason why I don't use a moisturizer in the morning. And I do have dry skin, like I keep mentioning in this video. That doesn't mean I want to be like a giant oil slick. So that's why I like finishing this off without any moisturizer. But yes, if you take away anything from this video, you need sunblock, okay? On a daily basis. I don't care if you dark skin, I don't care if you light skin, I don't care if you don't suffer from hyperpigmentation. We are out here caring for our skin, anti-aging, and yeah, come prepared, come correct with your sunscreen. That's my skincare routine for the morning. I hope you guys enjoyed, and yeah, this was a little random upload, but on Instagram everybody was saying like, oh, we would love to see what you're using on your skin, and I figured I'd make a YouTube video out of it instead of just going through it in IG stories. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope to be uploading here more frequently, but I should probably stop saying that. You'll get videos when y'all get videos, you know what I'm saying? When I'm feeling secure in my video personality. But yeah, so let me know in the comments if you use any of the products that I mentioned in today's video, and if you have any product recommendations, I'd love to hear what you guys use. Follow me on Instagram for daily uploads. It's not YouTube, but follow me on Instagram for, you know, daily content, and subscribe on here for occasional content. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.